How to set up a Windows Media Server. Hello everyone. Want to stream your media files across all your devices at home? Let's learn how to set up a Windows Media Server. Press Windows key plus S to open the search bar and type Media Streaming Options and press Enter. Click on Turn on Media Streaming in the dialog box that appears. Confirm by clicking OK to enable media streaming. Open Windows Media Player by searching for it in the Start menu. In Windows Media Player, go to the Library tab. Click on Organize and select Manage Libraries. Add the folders that contain your music, videos, and pictures to the respective libraries. In Windows Media Player, click on Stream and select More Streaming Options. You'll see a list of devices that can access your media. Configure permissions for each device as desired. Click OK to save your settings. On another device such as a smart TV, a game console, or another computer, ensure it is connected to the same network. Open the Media Player or Media Server application on the device. Look for your Windows Media Server in the list of available servers and select it. You should now be able to browse and play your shared media files. For additional features and better compatibility, you can use third-party media server software like Plex or Emby. That's it. You've successfully set up a Windows Media Server, allowing you to stream your media files across all your devices. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Enjoy your media streaming.